Do you know that you can actually calculate the probability that you are going to die within a certain age bracket or even before your next birthday? Qx is the probability of death. And how do we calculate Qx? First of all, let's define what Qx is in actuarial terms. Qx is the probability that a life age x is going to die within age x and x plus 1. NQX, on the other hand, is the probability that a life age x is going to die between age x and x plus n. How do we calculate these probabilities? First of all, we have to look for a value called Lx, which is the number of people alive at age x. And how do we obtain the value of Lx? It is found in a life table. A life table is a statistical tool used in actuarial science and demography to show the probability of death, survival, and the life expectancy of a population at each age. What is the formula of Qx? Qx is equivalent to Lx minus Lx plus 1 all over Lx. NQx, on the other hand, is equal to Lx minus Lx plus n all over Lx. Why do we evaluate probabilities of death? Practical example. Probability of death is what is calculated by insurance companies when you go and take a life insurance policy. A person with a higher probability of death will pay a higher amount of premium compared to a person with a lower probability of death. Where else is probability of death used? It is used in pensions and retirement planning. To evaluate the value of your pension and retirement benefits, the authorities need to estimate the years that you are going to live after retirement. This probability of death is very necessary in calculating or estimating the number of years that you are going to live after retirement. And that is one of the practical uses of the probability of death. Now you know.